G'day folks, I'm Benno, and this isn't quite the shed, but most of this video is. After a whole lot of head scratching, I've scratched off most of my hair. The job's finally done. Have a look at this. Getting pretty excited here at the moment. Now just going to put some weather strip on it just to stop it rattling. This is probably a bit thicker than I really want, but it's going to do the job. There we go. Just cut it off a bit like that so I can come back and I can just trim that up. Scissors would probably be better, but I haven't got a set handy. What I really don't want is for it to be rattling. So the next step is to get me holes through that. I'll do it with a drill and actually use a soldering iron, and I'll burn the holes through with that. So I'll be back in a moment. Okay, soldering iron's nice and hot. I'm just going to start with this centre one. It doesn't want to fall over all over the place. Just do a quick burny melt. Let's see whether it comes through. Almost through. So I'll just go from the other side. I can see my centre of the hole now. So there we go. That's that step. Be back shortly. Yeah, so what do you reckon about that? I'm pretty pleased, pretty happy with the way that's come up. It's yeah, it's not too bad. It's not perfect, but it's not bad. So yeah, let us know what you think about that one, and yeah, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, smack that subscribe button. All right, guys, catch us later. I'm Benno. This isn't the shed, and we'll catch you next time.